What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to work some more on Project Green Hornet. We're going to do some tune-up stuff on it. We're going to replace our spark plug wires, rotor cap, fuel filter, and see she runs a bit better. She's been having a hard start problem. Like, you got to crank it to where the battery's almost dead before it starts. But we're going to see if we can solve that today with replacing these parts. So see you guys in this clip. So, spark plugs in here, the biggest spark plugs I've ever plugged. They're 1360. I don't know how much it's going out there. Crack.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay
I think I'd be fine with losing my hearing, cause both of my ear canals are still searing from your words. You know I don't wanna stop interfering, but I wonder if all that's gonna do is make it.
Let's see if the truck starts. Don't touch the exhaust, Kelly.
I won't this time. If I did in the first time. We're not admitting to anything. Oh no, the truck moves.
take a short break to get medical attention. We'll be back with brake stuff. I mean, it's not very exciting either. There's about 1 billion videos online about this stuff, but you know, might be worth somebody watching it.